change, we dance in song. Four bright friends come to play. Spring to winter, hip hooray!
Springtime blooms, flowers grow, rainbow colors start to show. Birds are singing, sky so blue. Spring is fresh and new for you. Summer's hot, the sun shines bright. Ice cream treats bring pure delight. Beach and games, we laugh all day. Summer fun is here to stay.
Autumn leaves fall red and gold. Stories by the fire told.
Pumpkins, apples, cozy cheer.
Autumn comes this time each year. Winter snow is soft and white. Snowflakes sparkle in the night. Cozy fires warm and near. Winter's magic brings good cheer. With seasons change one by one.